everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm back at Among Us. I keep playing Among Us. Comment down below what you want me to play, because I keep playing Among Us. Alright, so we're crewmate, let's do some tasks. Oh, alright, I've added sword first. Oh my god, don't follow me, Raspberry. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What the heck? That's stupid. That's so annoying. Bro. Oh, yay. And that's why. Man. Man, bro, start it. And, oh my god. I'm exiting that game. Bro. Lemon? Okay, wait, hold up. I think I've seen Lemon so many times. You every time. I wanna go blue. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. I see women all the time. Crewmate. Then nothing to see here doing my tasks. Downloading. I think I've seen Lemon before. In my previous videos I've seen. Cyan. One, did he walk or pink with white killed? Oh. Okay. I. Skip. Nah. Hey, white's out. Let's see if the dude's right. I have left the game. Yeah, he's not the imposter. Oh, he wasn't. It's literally. What? Didn't it just say 0 imposters remain? Didn't it just say 0 imposters remain? Oh my god, okay, okay, hello? Oh my gosh. It's yellow. Empty. Nothing came out. I'm voting yellow. Good. Yeah, bro. No, you literally swipe hard. I literally think it's lemon. What? I don't like them. Stupid idiots. It's literally lemon. God. You have got to, they're so stupid. Stupid idiots. Lemon. Well, I finished all my tags. I'm following. It's literally, watch. So, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Stupid idiots, it's lemon. Look, I'm just gonna go straight for that kill. Go kill another person, dude. Yeah, canned. Security, bro. It's literally yellow. It's cause science. Huh. Idiots, bro. Idiots. Bro. Idiots. Stupid lemon. I don't like this game. Now he just got to go straight for one stupid kill. All he needs to... Yes! Right, come on, go to save. Bro. Yeah, no! So, what have I told them? Okay, I think she's on front. He or she's on front. Bro, hurry up. You're not slick. Well, I think that's it for today. Well, bye. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss a video. Bye.